Rated as one of the best cities in India, Pune is a melting pot of all things good. While the western side of the city is known for its strategic location alone, today it has grown into one of the most integrated residential and commercial zones of the city. One of the leading and most promising names in real estate, SSD Group, with a legacy of 18 plus years in the field of real estate development. SSD Group is engaged in residential and commercial projects in PCMC and PMC region. In the past 2 decades, SSD Group have constructed 30 lakh square feet, which sums up to 30 plus projects in PCMC and have many remarkable projects in the pipeline. SSD Group presents to you Sai Vista, a project to fulfill your dream in the vicinity of central Rahatni, Pimple Saudagar. Sitting on the heart of Rahatni and Pimple Saudagar, enjoy the benefit of widespread opportunities from major industrial and IT hubs at the price of real estate lower than that of Pimple Saudagar or beyond in Rahatni Central. Sai Vista is very well connected to the MIDC Bhosari, Chinchwad and Chakan industrial belts and are almost equidistant to most major IT hubs in the east and west of Pune, including Kharadi, Hinjewadi, Talwade and Yerwada. Sai Vista is also closely connected with 3 major highways: Pune-Mumbai-Bangalore Highway, Pune-Mumbai Expressway and the Pune-Nasik Highway, only 5 to 10 minutes away. Sai Vista is just 200 meters from 2 major BRTS routes, Aund-Ravet BRT Road and Bhosari BRTS Road. It is also having access of 2 metro stations of different routes. Through this, it is connected to close proximities to happening places of both Pune and PCMC. This calculated placement allows you to perfectly balance your professional and personal lives. To further build on that stability, the vicinity provides the ideal neighborhood for a relaxed and happy life. Well-reputed hospitals like Lotus Multispeciality, ONP Leela, Max Care and Aditya Birla Hospital among others are at a distance of only 5 to 10 minutes away. A variety of the best schools and colleges like SNBP International School, Global International School, Wisdom World, Vibgyor and Euroschool, providing exceptional standards of education and overall grooming, help secure the bright future of your children. Almost all of these schools are at a distance of only 5 to 10 minutes away. At Sai Vista also ensures that you get your fun time when you have to. With various leisures and entertainment options like Spot 18, Inox, E-Square, PVR, City Central, Big Bazaar, D-Mart and upcoming Phoenix Market City Mall at a distance of 5 to 10 minutes away, happy times are guaranteed. For those of you who prefer a quieter time, exceptionally beautiful parks and peaceful temples are also nearby. The Savitribai Phule Garden, Sri Sambhaji Maharaj PCMC Garden, Linear Urban Garden and more are also located only 5 to 10 minutes away, while the Swami Samarth Mutt, Ganesh Mandir, Shiv Mandir and ISKCON Temple are between 15 to 30 minutes away. All of these experiences contribute in bringing out the overall essence of a complete life. But don't just take our word for it. With 75% construction work completion, Sai Vista offers nearing possession flats, which helps you to save huge amount of paying EMI and rent. You can visit, view, choose and book what suits your needs the best. Investing in Sai Vista means investing in yourself with immediate returns that you can see and feel. Sai Vista will fulfill all your wishes of Sab Kuch Sahi Chahiye.